My name is Scott Holter, and I'm the lead minister here at Catalyst Church. Whoever sent you this video, they believe you fit in with our Catalyst Church family. And here are a couple of videos and a couple testimonies to see if you fit in here at Catalyst.
I really love Catalyst because you feel welcome. It's a great group of people and they really love Jesus. It's a great place to learn and grow. You feel like you're with a group of friends.
The reason why I go to Catalyst is because I can come here and not be ashamed of myself, but also because it's like family here, but we also get to learn more about the real Jesus every service we come to.
Yes, why I'm here in Catalyst Church, because I feel myself at home here.
Reason I love Catalyst is every time I come in here, it feels like I'm hanging out with my family, and I just love seeing everybody's faces when I come in.
Hi, I'm Abby, and the reason why I keep coming back to Catalyst was honestly when we first came through the door, so we saw how everyone joined together in fellowship and felt like family. It was raw, it was real, and we wanted exactly what everyone else had here, and ever since then we've just stayed and gotten a little piece of that.
This is Leisha, and I love Catalyst for all of the great activities. Connection groups are amazing. The things they do for children, things they do for women. I love being able to participate in that stuff.
Yeah, I'm Orlando, and I came to this church because of Brian and Kathy DeFord. We had a meeting one day at the job, and he said something that inspired me to come to Catalyst, and I've been coming ever since.
Hi, I'm Peyton. I love Catalyst because the relationships here are great. One of my best friends I met here, and he's my best friend just ever. I love him.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Patty, and we love coming to Catalyst because it's like coming and seeing family every week. I love how we build relationships here and just love the people, love worshiping God together and growing in our relationship with God.
And I love that everybody is real. The people are genuine. People don't pretend to be somebody they're not. They don't hide their problems. It's like there's people just like you, just like me. It's like we're all struggling through this together, and we all find a way to reach out to Jesus and to
pull each other up by our bootstraps.
Yes, exactly. Learn from one another, and yeah, it is like family, absolutely.
And we love it here. Come join us.
Yeah.
So I really love Catalyst because since I've been here, I've really found out what it means to follow Jesus and who Jesus really is. And I also really love the people here. I really enjoy seeing everybody. I really enjoy the small groups, and I feel like it's a lot more intimate than just being a number in the crowd at a big church.
I'm Madison, and I love Catalyst Church because of all the love and the heart of the people here. Something that I noticed on my first day and have consistently noticed every week is that this place is just overflowing with love.
Hey guys, if you're looking for a place that is all about relationships with God, relationships with each other, where you can come just as you are, this is it. I hope to see you here soon.
We're the River family, and we like Catalyst because it's about Christ and the Bible and not about tradition.
Hey, I'm Carrie. We've been coming to Catalyst for 4 or 5 years, I think. I'm not even sure anymore. When we first started coming here, we were on the heels of a really unfortunate church experience, a lot of hurt, and we needed to do some healing before we could really commit and become real participating family in a church. And we were given the space to do that. We were welcomed, we were loved and never pushed, and now I'm so happy we're here. So it takes time sometimes, but if that's your situation, you come on down and we'll be happy to love on you and give you the space you need.
Join us on the 31st. You can join us at 8:45 family service. Everybody's in the worship area together. We'll be there for about 1 hour as we worship together on Easter, or at 10 a.m. And at 10 a.m., all of our children's ministry is open. You can have the little ones down where they fit best and the adults where we fit best. We're looking forward to seeing you this Easter at Catalyst Church.